Hello and welcome to this video. So in this video I'll be taking you through how to start a specific online business model, a specific one that does not require any experience, does not have any barrier of entry, and does not even require any capital from you at all, like any capital at all. So this business is a model that even big brands use them. So it's the information marketing business model, or you can call it digital products business. Do you get it? Digital product business. Now, what's it all about? What's the information marketing business all about? Let's just check and let's see what it is about it. Information marketing. I found a blog for information marketing from 10 years ago. You can see from 10 years ago. That's tell you that this business is not just a new model, it's one that has been existing like ever since. Now, thing is, you have something important to share. Now let me just show you a definition here. It says information marketing is about creating, promoting and selling information products. Now, the only requirements you need for information marketing is that you know something. That's all. Do you know something? Do you know anything at all that people want to know? It could be as little as you know the cheapest places to get food in your country, the cheapest website to go to get flight tickets in your country. It could be that you know the easiest way to bake. It could be something that little, and it could be how to, if you know how to maybe start a business in your country. Like it could be as little or as much, any information that you know that people would actually want to know. That's what information marketing is about. Do you know something that people want to know? If you have ticked that box, yes, you are qualified to start the information marketing business. So, but how exactly do you go about it? What are the steps? What are the exact steps? Because in this video, I want to be able to watch this video, and after this video, I don't want to take too long, but after this video, you should be able to start your own information marketing business without any something at all. So, what are the steps to take? Now, follow me. Very first step to starting your information marketing business is picking a niche. Can you see, do you have something important to share? Are you an expert in areas where others would like to know about? Do you know that your knowledge is valuable? So basically, just pick a niche. Do you get this? Pick a path that you want to follow. You can't teach about everything. Yeah, you might know a lot of things, but you can't teach about everything. You can't create content. Can't create products about everything. Do you get it? You have to pick a specific. That's the very first step. Pick a specific niche for your information marketing business. So now let me give you an head start. Because there are many niches, but let me tell you the ones that really make a lot of money. The first one is health and relationship. That's one. Okay, the first one is health. People want to know how to get better, how to get a better health, how to live long. That's health. That's the very first one. Very important. Now the second niche is relationship. Relationship actually works. Relationship, like how to catch this person, how to get this lady, how to do that one. Like relationship actually is another niche that works, like that makes a lot of money. That's another niche. And that thing is wealth. Like if it's about make money, like if you know how to do this one, then this skill and get money, that one also works very fine. That one works very fine also. And there are a lot of other niches that are like fitness niches there, digital skills niches there, a lot of niches that you can venture into. So that's the very first part. So after picking your niche, then we can go to the next part. Now, what's the next part of the information marketing business? Is market research. Now you know something, but how do you know that people actually want that thing? Do you get it? For example, you know how to get better, how to lose weight. Let's say how to lose weight, for example. But what exactly do you want to do? Like, how do you know? How do you know that people actually want this thing? What problems do they have? What's their pain points? What exactly do you want to know? So with that, by market research. After your market research, how do you do your market research? Let me just take you through very quickly. How do you market research? Now, a very very good place you're doing is Facebook. Let's go to Facebook very quickly. This is Facebook. Now let me just search. Just search for big groups that actually have a lot of members. Can you see this is a group that I am on? This is Rant HQ, and they have 1.5 million members. So 1.5 million members. In places like this, people post their problems, they post what they want to know, they post questions. So a lot of questions that you will see here that you can actually provide solutions to. You get it? Just find a group peculiar to your niche. You get it? And see the problems people are having and check them. Now just for example, let's check for weight loss. I say weight loss. Alright. So you can see the problems people have about weight loss here. So they will see they ask questions. See, this is a question. Can I write a book on can produce a content, can produce an information product on just this question here. On this question here. Can produce things, can just this thing, can produce an information product on just this thing. See, today I'm talking about can produce an information product on just this product. See, a lot of things, a whole lot of stuff that I can produce information products on, a whole lot of stuff. So you do your market research. That's the next step. Do your market research. For them, let's check and down. Let's check relationship here. So you can see more questions. I think this is a very 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 practical things. You can see relationship and marriage here also. So I think relationship advice. You can create stuff when you read through this thing. You can create stuff about it. You can create a lot of stuff about a lot of your product ideas about all this stuff. So that's the very very next step. Now after you have picked on it, I have picked your I have seen the question, I have seen what people want, you have seen the words you can write up. You really study these things down. So when you are creating your products, you can actually put them into practice. So let's go to the next step. Now the next step. What's the next step on our information marketing business? What's the third step? Now to pick what type of, how do you want to package your information? Do you get it? How do you want to package your digital product? How do you want to package it? Now the different packages can be an ebook, can be online, can be video, can be webinar, can be a lot of other stuff. Do you get it? So ebook, webinar, video, online course, a lot of other packages. But the most common ones are ebooks and videos, and these are very very easy to create. Do you get it? Are very very easy to create. So after I have listed out the pain points of your customers, you can actually just go to you can actually use AI also. Go to chat.openai.com. So you can just go here and just search for I want to create a give me a what do I call it, a course, an ebook content templates for an ebook on relationship. And ChatGPT will give you a lot of stuff. So introduction, relationship foundation, type of relationship, a lot of stuff that I can actually help you with. So you can help you write your content, add all your content out. Can you see? Give me everything. So you can see this kind of content template. So any niche you pick, just come here and to give you the content templates. You get the content templates. So if you have picked relationship, you have picked weight loss, if you have picked any part of the any niche at all, just come here and type it out, and it will actually be of help to you. So how do you now package it? Now let's pick ebook. I'll talk about ebook and video here. Ebook and video, these are two common ones, ebook and video. So for example, you want to write an ebook. So after the first step, you write an ebook. After you have given all these templates, what do you now do? You now go to docs.google.com. Just like Microsoft Word online. So what is going to do for you is to help you create documents. You get it? You can just type your start typing your ebook on your phone. Because I'm using my phone. So just go to docs. So I have the app. So that's why I'm opening the app here. So just add new, create new documents. Then start typing your ebook. So let me just copy and paste what GPT gave me. Let me copy and paste it. So just copy this one. And then paste it here. Paste. Can you see it? So I've started my ebook. That's all. That's my ebook. So when you write everything finish, that's all you have to do. Just share, just export, send the copy as PDF. That's all you have to do. You get it, and download, and you can now save to your phone, save to drive and stuff like that. So that's about ebook. That's create your ebook. Now let's go to creating videos. How do you create video? How do you create a video? If you want to use the video format for your digital products, how do you create a video? So let's go here. Now it depends on how your video, like what mode, depends on a lot of stuff. But now let's see, I'm screen recording my phone now. What can you use to screen record your phone if you are actually teaching something on your phone? You also do the screen record. Just go to Play Store and search for AZ recorder, AZ screen recorder, and this is it. Install it on your phone, and start recording. That's all. Start recording. That's it. So that is the next step. That's all about the next step of your packaging your content. Now I can also go here. Can say write me a video script instead. A video script for this instead. For this. Okay, let me say for this. So you can get some video script. So this is it. Can you see it? Can I write a video script for you? Like a video script that I can use for a video. So you can create your video. Also, and that way of creating video is like just put on your phone camera, put it on landscape mode, and then record your video. That's and that thing. If you want to show your face, put on your video, put on your camera, record your video. That's all you have to do. So that's all about packaging your content. Now, where do you now put your ebook? Now I'll talk about that now. I'll talk about that very soon. So how do you put it where people can see it? Now that will be the next step. This is just the next step of uploading your course. How do you upload your course? Where do you upload your course? Do you get it? That people can access it. Where do you upload it? Now I gave you two course types: ebooks and videos. Now if it's for ebooks, you have to upload them on Google Drive. That's all. So let's go to Google Drive. This calendar. Google Drive. Oh, Google Drive. And just click. Okay, let me just pick just click plus here. Upload. And you pick any ebook you have created. Just pick any ebook you have created. Let me just pick this one. This is an image actually. But just any book you have created, just pick it and post it here. Do you get it? Pick it and post it right here. That's all. Paste it right here. And let me see any book I've posted. Now look at this is one of the digital products I've created so far. 4 secrets to building a business, student business in the online world. This is a digital product, and this is on my Google Drive. So what you can just share, send a copy or copy link, and when they buy your product, send link to them, and also you can work on the access, on the share access. Can share with their email. Just ask for their email and paste their email here, and share with them. That's all for ebooks. Just share with when you buy, share with your customers. That's all. Now what's the next one? That's about ebook. Now about videos. How do you package your videos? You have recorded your videos. How do you now put it where people can buy it? You get it? How do you put it? How do you package it so when they buy it can deliver it to them? All you have to just go to Play Store and check for YouTube Studio. It's different from your normal YouTube app. YouTube Studio. Just install your YouTube. I have it already, so I can just open it. I have my YouTube Studio already. I open my YouTube Studio, and then I upload a video. I think I upload a video there, and that's all. Do you get it? Content. Can upload a video from here. So that's all you have to do. That's all you have to do for this, for creating your video. You get it? So let's go back. That's all about packaging your course. So when you're done, just share your video link to your customers when they buy. That's all. Now, how do you sell? That will be the next part of this process of your information marketing business. How do you actually sell? You have built your products, you have uploaded them online. Now how do you start selling? Now the very starting way to sell your product, your digital product, is through your WhatsApp status. Upload it there and see people will be interested. If that's about the topic people want to know about, people will be interested and message you. I like this one, let me buy it. I like this thing. Myself, do put your price and sell it. Start making money online. Doesn't no more than that. Sell it on your WhatsApp. That's the very, very first step of this process. You get it? Guys, if you don't spend any money at all, start selling on WhatsApp. And when they sell, ask for reviews. You get ask for reviews from them, and then post the reviews. Sell more. Tell them to refer you. That's all about selling. That's if you don't spend any money at all about selling. That's just it. Now, how about if you have little money to spare? Then you want ads. You get it? You want ads to your products. You want ads to your page. You want ads about it. Now let me show you something. If you have created an ebook, let me just show this in. If you have created an ebook, you need an ebook cover that I can post, right? An ebook cover that I can post. With that, you can use Canva. Let's go to Canva. Canva is a design app. Like, it's very, very easy to use. Very, very easy. Let's go to Canva. So let's create for our ebook, a cover for our ebook. Let's do a cover for our ebook. Let me just search for relationship ebook. Relationship ebook. So let's see what we have for relationship ebook. Now you can see I don't see, you can see this ebook. So you can see this type. Just edit it, and let me just click this one. Let me edit it so you can see how easy it is. So after the ebook, you have seen a template to like. Let me just see how to let me say how to marry right. How to get, let's how to marry right. That's all. By, let's edit it. Ebook by who? By my name. Let me write my name there. My name. That was all. Edit it, and you're good to go. You can change the picture also. That's the background. You can change the picture also. Good to go. Then download. Download the image, and you're good to go. Get the image, download it on your phone. You have a cover for your ebook already. So that's all about that. So start selling your ebook. Now if you have some money to run ads, just start running your ads. For Facebook ads are very, very easy to set up. They are very, very easy to set up. So just start running Facebook ad, post the picture, put more content there, and start selling your ebook. That's all. So that's just a simple roadmap to building your information marketing business. But let me tell you something very, very important. There are lots more to this. There are a lot more to this information marketing business. A whole lot more, a lot of strategies. But like I said earlier, I don't want this video to be too long. Because I don't have time to watch everything. So I don't want it to be too long. That's why we have a premium package. For this program. We have a premium package for this program that teach you how to, like, in-depth details. I talked about picking your niche, doing all those things. Now, what niches? I've told you niches, but what specific sub niche can you pick? What specific topic ideas? How can you get topic ideas? How is the best way to package, to create a sales page, to get a page for your ebook? What's the best platform to sell your ebook on? How can you get more audience to see your ebook? A lot of other stuff. Now, Facebook ads. A lot of us don't know how to run Facebook ads. How can you run it in a very, very easy way? We'll teach that also in the premium package. So all you have to just click the link below this video to enter to see the sales page, or to join the WhatsApp group. You get it? To join the WhatsApp, just click the link just below this video. Join the WhatsApp group. It's a paid platform, but it's actually worth it. If you really want to scale, if you want to make the best out of information marketing, you need to join the premium group. You can do a lot of things. What the free things, this free something I'm giving on to you. You give this free thing I'm giving you. Can just start something with it. It's very, very good. But if you want to go fast, move faster, then you should join. Join the premium group. It's very, very important. Also, know that we'll be teaching you how to not only information marketing business model, but also other business models that you can use. Do you get it? Other business models that you can use to make money online. Talking about dropshipping, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, a lot of other business models that you can use. So do not wait, do not hesitate. Click the link below this video now to join the WhatsApp group, and see you inside. Wishing for you and wishing you to make money online. So just go ahead and click the link below this video right now. Thank you.